Hello and welcome to this technical training. In this video, we will cover the second step of the LEDelligence setup: on-site commissioning after the project planning has been completed. We already completed the pre-configuration in the first video, step by step. Now the following topics are in focus: working with the LEDelligence app, the zone logic, and typical procedures during installation. Commissioning is carried out using the mobile LEDelligence app. To use the app, an active Bluetooth and internet connection are required. You log in using the same credentials as in the previously created project. In the app, all projects are displayed that have been assigned to you, or that you have created yourself. The on-site process is clearly structured. First, open the required zone. Then click on the plus symbol. All sensors that have not yet been assigned are now displayed. Using the flashing function, you identify the correct luminaire. Then you add the sensor and wait until the programming is complete. Repeat this process for all sensors in the respective zone. For identification, each luminaire can be made to flash by tapping it. Incorrectly assigned sensors can be removed using the trash icon. They can then be added again to the correct zone. Luminaires can be named individually, for example by position or type. This improves clarity and is especially helpful for later service work. The wireless range of a sensor is approximately 20 meters. If there are issues with the wireless connection, the relay function can be activated. This increases the transmission power. The system works as a mesh network. Each sensor acts simultaneously as both transmitter and receiver. The time authority setting defines which sensor the remaining luminaires follow when time schedules are in use. After a power failure, for example, sensors lose their time information. A reliable solution for using time schedules is an additional gateway. A gateway retains, even after a power failure, the time information through its internet connection and can therefore ensure the smooth execution of the previously defined time schedules. A gateway is therefore strongly recommended here. Basic settings can be adjusted directly in the app. Using test mode, luminaires can be switched on and off. In addition, different scenes can be tested. In special cases, a hard reset may be necessary. For example, if access to the project is no longer possible. The reset is performed by holding a magnet against the sensor lens. To summarize, on-site commissioning is simple and clearly structured. The most important step is assigning the sensors correctly to the respective zones.